Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up. We'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys, for your daily energy, Sagittarius, and we'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that card will relate to your questions, whatever you have regarding your work situation or your relationship, guys. So we'll turn these cards now. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. So we'll start the reading now. Snake, lady, lilies. So with these cards, Sagittarius, the energy is that, guys, your person has a deep attraction towards you, guys. They are attracted to your position or your status, your heritage, and they are devoted to you also, guys, and you both share a great intimacy in this relationship, and this love is pure, guys. This is not because of some outward qualities that I said. Maybe they are they love your success and they love your status position, but also they have that pure love, innocent love towards you. That attraction, intimacy is also there in this relationship, guys. Something really out of the world you feel. Maybe this relationship is a twin flame soulmate connection here, guys. That is the reason they feel that a deep connection with you, or you feel that deep connection with this person. You share a great intimacy and understanding, guys. That is also the energy here. So you have this great relationship going, but someone is really jealous of your relationship. Maybe your some common friend or someone from your family. They may have they may feel really jealous. They may envy you actually for your situation, for what for this person, for you having this person, or they may envy them for being in this relationship with you, having that deep understanding with you. So you need to identify who it is, guys, and you need to stay away from such people. They may pose as your friend, but they may be working against you, guys. They may trying to deceive you or cheat you in some ways. So you need to be really careful about these people. Stay away from them. Stay away from such people who are trying to trick you. That is the energy here, guys. Or it may be someone from your family. They may not like this relationship. So that is the reason they are working against you. So let us see what is the Oracle's guidance card, guys. So this card may answer your deep thoughts regarding your work situation or your relationship, Sagittarius. Community. Sagittarius, with this card, the Oracle's guidance is that, guys, we need to have that sense of belonging, guys, in our work situation or in our relationship. So when we are there in a group with like-minded people, when we share that understanding, it will benefit us in a better way, guys. So we may, our contribution in the group may be small, but the presence is important. So when we are in a group, regardless of the focus, what our group is working towards, we will have that joy, and we will feel inspired to go about in our work. Maybe in our relationship, when we uh, share with that person our time, energy, and what we are, our true self with this person, accepting the truth. So whatever our qualities are, including the mistakes, whatever the flaws that are there, when we have that clear understanding, give and take in that relationship, we will change ourselves to the best version uh, of ourselves, to be in that relationship, to be together with this person, to share that great understanding with this person. And even in our work situation, when we have that opportunity to work with people, when we work as a team, we will reap great benefits for ourselves, guys. So, but sometimes we should understand what are our true intentions. We should be able to say no also sometimes when we cannot do it truthfully. So whatever role you want to play in your work, whatever is your role based on your true intentions, you need to serve that role. When you do that, you will have that greater feeling of accomplishment, knowing what is your purpose. Only then it will lead you to success. So even in your teamwork, you should know your position, and you should know what is your work and what is your effort, guys. And that is the oracle's guidance here for you all, Sagittarius, and that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.